100-year-old G-Wagon?
Under the ocean?
That's impossible until the sonar pinged again.
The ocean didn't hide it. It preserved it.
In 1926, this car shouldn't exist.
One wrong strap, and a century of history snaps back into the deep.
If the rope slips, we lose it forever.
A machine from 1926 just breathed air again.
We're not restoring a car. We're restoring a legend. Step 1, document everything, because after today, it'll never look like this again.
Salt is the silent killer, and today, we start the cure. If we don't stop the salt now, the rust will win later.
The ocean filled it. Now we empty a century of silence.
Under the rust, the real shape returns. It's not just rust. This car is still fighting the ocean. Every bolt is a battle, and this one just declared war. Old problems need old solutions.
When the doors come off, there's no going back. This is where we finally see what the ocean did.
If the heart is dead, can we still bring it back?
The heart is leaving the body, and the real work begins.
Label everything, or you'll rebuild chaos. Prototype, so this wasn't just a car. It was a secret.
The moment the body separates, the truth is exposed. We're not guessing. Every scar gets a plan.
This is what 100 years of damage looks like. Disappearing.
To save the frame, we must remove what's already dead.
No store sells parts for a 1926 prototype, so we forge them.
One clean weld can outlive a lifetime.
Salt can't eat what it can't reach.
Inside these axles, the monster's strength is hiding.
Traction isn't luck. Ooh, it's engineering. This is the first time it stands taller than its own history. If it can't steer straight, it can't be trusted. Stopping power built by hand. The ocean reached the heart, but it didn't finish the job. That sound? That's the engine learning to breathe again.
Millimeters decide whether it lives or dies.
New rings.
Whoa!
Every gear you save saves the drive.
No leaks. No excuses.
Smooth power feels like magic until you build it. A century-old body, brand new nerves. Even legends need comic relief. Perfect gaps aren't luck. They're patience.
Here's the moment it stops being old and becomes monster.
This color isn't style. It's a tribute to the ocean that tried to keep it.
Vintage soul. Modern muscle.
After 100 years, it speaks. After 100 years, it speaks.
The ocean took it, the village rebuilt it, and now the monster runs free.
The ocean took it, the village rebuilt it, and now the monster runs free.